Nowadays, almost 256,750,000 people live with any kind of motor disability, live without internet access, live without technology access, live without job opportunities, live without education opportunities. Around 10% of the world population, or 650 million people, live with a disability. They are the world's largest minority. This figure gets bigger if we add the people with arthritis in our world. Approximately 6 million people live with this disease, not being able to use technology. In Latin America, the amount of people with motor disabilities is about 35,550,000. And what's even worse is that the situation of persons with disabilities in Latin America is often surrounded by extreme poverty, high unemployment, limited access to public services such as education, medical care, housing, transportation, legal, and others. In Latin America, only the 30% of people with disabilities has a job. About the 1% of people in Latin America suffer from arthritis, which is about 2 million people. In Peru, more than 208,000 people live with a motor disability. Among of them, there are many children in school age. Only 11% of people with disabilities in Peru has a job, and only the 35% of children with disabilities in school age actually go to school. People who live with a disability doesn't usually use the technology and can enjoy the benefits of it. In Peru, there are 275,500 people that suffer from arthritis in their hands, keeping them off from the technology benefits and opportunities. They have a growing need of information and access to internet. All these people can't move and can't use a regular mouse, so they can access to the digital world. They are still living in the past. What has mankind done to solve this issue? Mathstick. It is simple and low cost. The disadvantage is that it is not only for all people with disabilities, and it is only for typing. Adaptive keyboard. It's useful for people who does not have reliable muscle control. The disadvantage is that it is only for typing and is slow. Trackball mouse. It is easy to manipulate, but it is not necessarily an assistive technology. Eye tracking allows the person to surf the web with only eye and head movements, but it is expensive and produces eye desviation issues. The solution. Get a team from Peru presents Ñawy Harkay, not another iMouse project. It is a project that will help millions of people with motor disabilities, allowing them to join our digital world and access to new education, information, and job opportunities. With Ñawy Harkay, users can control PCs with the natural motion of their eyes. It will be useful for people that haven't been close to technology before due to their motor disabilities. To achieve this goal, our solution combines hardware and software in order to be easy and comfortable without any collateral damages for the health. This solution provides independence. The user won't ever need someone else for helping him around the computer. The user can put on the glasses by his own. Ñawy Harkay does not harm the eyes, nor it produces desviation issues, because it features covered lighting, and it works with the natural motion of the eyes. Affordable, it costs only $40, including hardware. Our solution allows the users to live the full Windows experience. It is fully integrated to Windows 7, and a user with Ñawy Harkay can use everything that a regular user can use on Windows. Ñawy Harkay is intuitive. Ñawy Harkay is aligned to the United Nations Millennium Development Goals, specifically to the 8th goal, which is develop a goal partnership for development. This goal states that efforts have to be made in order to in cooperation with the private sector, make available benefits of new technologies, especially information and communications. Collaterally, our solutions help to achieve another two goals, which are number one, end poverty and hunger, because it will make labor opportunities more available to a wide potential workforce, and number two, achieve universal primary education, because it will allow children with more disabilities enjoy all the benefits that education offers nowadays. Technically, and in order to assure a proper solution, Ñawy Harkay makes use of the keyboard and mouse APs for the mouse movement and clicking, and CV libraries. All this is supported by the .NET Framework 4, which makes the application run under Windows 7, as well as previous versions of these OSs. The investment for this project is $27,000, and using the projected cash flow to 5 years, we got the net present value of $32,312, which means profitability and viability for the project. It is a complete solution that helps to include millions of people in the world. The project may release their hardware designs so people be able to build their lessons. Ñawy Harkay is a technology that helps close gaps in the world.